Join me as I challenge myself to boost my wealth using just a few simple daily routines. Let's see if I can really make a difference. We all want to be wealthy, but sometimes it feels like it's just out of reach. What if I told you that it's not about making drastic changes or sacrificing your entire lifestyle, but rather about making small, consistent tweaks to your daily routine? The truth is, building wealth is not rocket science, and with the right habits, you can set yourself up for long-term financial success. One of the biggest obstacles people face when it comes to managing their finances and building wealth is a lack of accountability. It's easy to get stuck in a pattern of overspending or ignoring our financial responsibilities, especially when it feels like no one is holding us accountable. Another challenge is the feeling of being overwhelmed by the sheer amount of financial information out there. With so many conflicting opinions and strategies, it's hard to know where to start or what to focus on. Additionally, building wealth often requires patience and discipline, two qualities that can be difficult to muster, especially in today's instant gratification society. And finally, many of us struggle with the mindset shift required to go from being a consumer to being an investor. It takes a lot of effort to break free from the cycle of buying and spending. By incorporating specific daily routines into your life, you can overcome these challenges and set yourself up for financial success. For example, budgeting can become a daily habit that helps you stay on top of your finances and make intentional decisions about your money. Investing can become a regular part of your routine, allowing you to grow your wealth over time. And learning can become a daily ritual, helping you stay informed and educated about personal finance and investing. The key is to make these routines so ingrained in your daily life that they become second nature. Let me tell you about my friend Sarah, who was able to transform her financial life by implementing a few simple daily routines. She started by committing to a daily budgeting session, where she would review her expenses and make adjustments as needed. She also made a habit of investing a fixed amount of money every month, which added up to thousands of dollars over the course of a year. And finally, she started reading personal finance books and articles every day, which helped her stay motivated and informed. The result? She was able to pay off her debt, build an emergency fund, and start investing in her retirement. It's an incredible success story that shows just how powerful these daily habits can be. One of the most important takeaways from today's video is that building wealth is not about making drastic changes or sacrifices. It's about making small, consistent tweaks to your daily routine. By incorporating these habits into your life, you can set yourself up for long-term financial success and achieve your goals. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you. What daily routines do you currently use to boost your wealth, and what changes do you plan to make after watching this video? Be sure to check out my other videos for more wealth-building tips and strategies, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.